Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by loading the EQ on the mixer track that contains the sound. First, solo the channel and play a loop so you hear the problem area clearly. Use parametric EQ too, set gain to unity so you don't bias loudness. Next, pick one band with a 0, 5:1/2 octave Q and boost it hard to locate resonances. That's how you find frequencies that need cutting. Once done, note those frequencies and reduce the boost before moving to corrective cuts. Now focus on cleaning and sculpting. Switch from boosting to cutting. You remove the harsh resonance by applying a narrow cut at the identified frequency, moving Q until the problem minimizes. For low end, insert a low cut around 20 to 40 Hz to remove sub-rumble. For muddiness, sweep and attenuate around 200 to 500 Hz with a wider Q. Then, make musical decisions. Use gentle boosts of 1 to 3 dB for presence and a high shelf above 10 kHz for air, making sure the tonal balance feels natural. Finish by checking the EQ in the mix. Toggle bypass to a /B and make sure you aren't just louder, match perceived level before comparing. Once satisfied, reference against a commercial track and use the spectrum analyzer to confirm balance. If a sound changes over time, automate bands or use dynamic EQ. If things go wrong, suspect phase or overcutting, try a linear phase EQ or reduce extreme cuts and re-listen. Make incremental changes and trust your ears, then move to the next track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.